Ooh, bright one.
Oh, that's a steelhead.
I think it might be a steelhead.
That's an awful color.
Yeah.
Might be first steelhead of the season. No pressure. That's an awful color. That's a steelhead. It's acting awful fine. It's not going to stay that long.
I want this one.
Sir.
Hopefully it's a hatchery.
Looks like it's close. I don't have my phone on. There he's there. There he's there. Steelhead.
Yeah.
Stay up here, bud. A little nervous, Ray.
I'm taking it a little easier than I do on the chums.
Yeah, see, we're slacking off a little bit.
With a chum, I'd be reefing on it a little more. It's like, get over here.
Woo, there he goes. Get back over here, get back up. There you go.
Yeah. Nice steelhead. Steelhead. It's a steelhead. I gotta make sure he gets tired. I think it's a steelhead. Yeah, I think so. Fish on, fish on. Nice fish. Nice fish. Big buck. No, it's a steelhead. Really nice steelhead. I got little tiny hooks and light lines, so I gotta take it easy. Little tiny hook. Watch out, hon. Get out of the way. Look at that. Okay, let's get you back in the water. Let's get you back in the water. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. I think it's a steelhead too. Steelhead. Yeah. Come on, don't go down there. Don't go down there. Stay up here. Stay up here. Boy, he's taking a lot of line. Look chrome, so I think it's a steelhead. Little tiny hook again. So I gotta take it easy. Boy, that's a strong fish. Oh, nice fish, nice fish. Nice fish, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Definitely a steelhead. Yeah. Hope it's a hatchery. As soon as I can tell that it's a hatchery, I'll pull them up on the beach. And there's the steelhead run. Light line, little hook, I gotta take it easy. Beautiful fish. I don't see an adipose. I think it's a hatchery. Okay. Alright, let's get him in. Here we go. I think he's about ready. Darn it. You just don't give up. Hope that little hook holds. I know. Watch out. Watch out. Fly in. Hatchery. Yeah. Yeah, I did it.